Okay, let's get right to it. Thursday, January 20th. Thanks for joining me. All right, we're getting into a busier weather pattern that starts tomorrow night, then continues through the weekend, and then into early Monday, the way it appears. And in between, during that time period, we're going to have probably two or three shots of snow. I think uh, the strongest disturbance is going to come through Sunday night and into Monday morning. And let's just show you that right off the bat. This is the travel impact map now that I've sent out to you for Sunday night and a Monday. I am worried about accumulating snow during that period right about in this area. This is across our region from the Mankato and Rochester areas on north into the Twin Cities metro and then east into Eau Claire and then north of there. I think the I-94 corridor, and we talk a lot about the I-94 corridor, but I think that's going to be a pretty good barometer for where the axis of significant snow is going to fall probably Sunday night and Monday. Of course, that's going to wobble some here, and we're going to have to shift that axis around. But I am worried about that period where 3, 4, 5 inches of snow could fall. It's going to be the light, fluffy variety, and then we'll have strong winds coming on the back side of this clipper system, this strong clipper system, and that will likely produce significant blowing and drifting snow. So as we get into Monday, it's really going to look wintry out there with pretty strong winds, blowing snow, and some falling snow yet on Monday morning. So anyway, that's for Monday. We'll get more into that as we go through tomorrow and this weekend. I will update you on that situation, of course. Now, over the next 72 hours, 72 to 84 hours, like I said, we're going to have at least two, probably three shots at accumulating snow. Here's our flow right now today in the jet stream at 30 to 35,000 feet. It's straight out of Canada. That's why we have this bitterly cold air in place. Watch what happens as we go through time now. Our flow becomes more southwesterly by tomorrow evening, and we get a jet streak that sets up over northern Minnesota. We are in the right rear quad of that jet streak. Much of Minnesota and Wisconsin is, and that's why we're going to have a shot of light snow between about 6 p.m. and 3 a.m. Friday night and Saturday morning. And then as we get into Saturday, you can see the flow becomes northwest again, and another jet streak surges into North Dakota, and we're going to be on the left front quad of that jet streak, which is another great area for lift. Hence the reason why, as we get into Sunday afternoon, especially or Saturday afternoon, and especially Saturday evening, likely get another 3 to 6 hour shot of light snow. And then we look forward towards Sunday night and Monday. You can see the buckle now in the jet stream during that period. That signifies that this is going to be a stronger clipper, most likely for Sunday night and Monday. Hence the reason why I have the greatest concern for that period. Now, looking at the temperatures in the lower layers of our atmosphere, watch how look how cold we are today and into tonight. It's going to be another cold night, by the way. But watch how we get into more of a battle zone here between warm and cold. This is Sunday night and Monday. Look at the bitter cold air just off to the east and northeast of us. Meanwhile, we get Chinook winds here to the south and west of us. We're going to be right in between, and with a pretty strong jet streak nearby. That's the reason why this area here looks to be the battleground here for clippers. I'm going to rewind this a little bit for you, but that's not only for Sunday night, but this is for Saturday and Saturday night. Look at, we're in that battle zone area here in southern and central Minnesota and western Wisconsin. So yes, we have a clash of air masses right overhead, and that's the reason why we're likely going to have these clipper systems and snow. And then we get another dump of cold Arctic air, you can see here, for Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. This might be the coldest air of the season for Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. And that says a lot considering some of the cold air that we've had here recently. Looking at Friday evening, just real quick, here's the winds at 20 to 25,000 feet. You can see they are in a southwesterly direction heading northeast. And like I had mentioned, we're in the right rear quad of this jet streak. So that's the reason why I am expecting snow here Friday evening between about 6 p.m. and 3 a.m. Saturday morning. Here comes the NAM 3K, and this is the total snow here as we go through time. Here's the one system now for Friday night into Saturday morning. It dumps about an inch or two of snow on us. And you see that on the blueprint for that system that I sent to you. But this is what we're expecting here then in our region here for Friday night and into Saturday morning. Not a big snow maker. An inch. I think a lot of us are going to be right around that inch mark. I'll be surprised if many, if any of us reach 2 inches of snow, but still, somewhere in that coating 2 inch range and more likely in that 1 to 1.5 inch range of snow. Certainly enough to cause problems out there for Friday night and into Saturday morning. Now, looking at the total snow now over time here, and this is between now and Monday, and I find this interesting because, and this is the European computer model guidance. Here's what it shows for that Friday night system, about an inch to an inch and a half of snow. And then we get another system. This is that second system that comes through Saturday night and into Sunday morning. You can see it dumps another 1 to 3 inches of snow across southern Minnesota. And then the final last system for Sunday night and into Monday morning. I know this is there's a lot going on here, and I agree with you. It's almost complicated right now. But then we get that third system that comes through. This is going to be the strongest one for Sunday night into Monday. All in all, by about noon or so on Monday, you can see much of our area, much of Minnesota and western Wisconsin, is going to likely get somewhere in that 3 to 6 inches plus of snow during that period, that 72-hour to 84-hour period here in time. So yes, a lot going on. And one more time, I just wanted to look now at the Sunday night system and look at the winds at 500 millibars at 20 to 25,000 feet. Look how strong they are, heading from west to east with a jet streak heading into South Dakota. We're going to be on the nose or left front quad of that jet streak, which is a pretty good area for lift. You can see it here. This is at about 3 a.m. on Monday morning. There's that jet streak moving into Iowa, and we are in the left front quad. So no reason why we wouldn't get good lift in our atmosphere during that time period. And that's why I'm most concerned about the Sunday night and into Monday morning time period. So yes, kind of a complicated 72 to 84 hours here. Here's your trigger graph. There it is. Several opportunities, at least 2 or 3 opportunities for accumulating snow during that period. When you look at the trigger graph, what's interesting is that here's the wet snow area up here, and with the where temperatures would be in the 20s. We rarely, if ever, have our temperatures reach into the 20s. So most of this period is going to feature a moderate or dry type snow over the next 72 to 84 hours. So this will be snow that's pretty easy to move around, which I'm sure is good news for everyone. And then look at this. Yeah, we go back into the deep freeze Tuesday and Wednesday. I think we might have our coldest night and morning of the year as we head into Tuesday night and Wednesday morning. And then temps moderate. So probably get into more of a thaw later next week, but it's a long ways away. And again, I think this is the most important thing here, is that 2 to 3 opportunities of snow over the next 72 to 84 hours. All right, there it is. Get some rest out there because it looks like we're going to have a busy period coming up. Take care.